I am now going to be talking about and reading the Phonics post test 18 that we would be taking on Monday. And what I'm going to do, what I normally do when I do these phonics tests is I usually read it to those who need me to read it. I also go over the test beforehand, so there's no questions. And then, of course, I answer questions throughout it. But I do request parents, if at all possible, just read directions to them. You can read these words to them. So you can read these words to them. You can read those words to them. Read these, read that. You can read it to them, but you cannot help them with the answers. That's just so that I can see when they are returned what they're struggling with. But if you just want your kiddo to watch this video, I'm actually going to read everything in this video so that just in case they need help reading, they can. So here at the top part, they would put their name. They don't worry about points missed or grade. And here it says phonics pre and post test 18. I've already circled post so that you know that this is a test and it's not a pre-test. Here is a part where I would actually have them choose 5 words to say to me. Obviously, they can't say it to me, so I've crossed this out. If you want them to read these words to you, and then you can kind of have an idea of what they need to work on, you certainly can do that, but you don't need to worry about that for me. Here we have PL 107. That's the this comes from this lesson. It says, and remember, like I've said, these are all going to be open note tests, basically. So if you need to find PL 107 and check your answers, you can. But it's up to you if you would prefer, just to do it, and because you already know it, that's fine. So you're going to take these words and you're going to put them into contractions, okay? Then PL 108 here, you're going to take these words, these 2 words, and you're going to also make those into contractions. And we turn to the back. On the back, PL 109, you write each contraction from the 2 given words. And then PL 110, you have these words in the word bank, and you're going to sort them under the correct column. Are they contractions or is it a possessive? Remember, it helps if you say them in a sentence. That'll help you, okay? Then down here, PL 111, you write the un or re word. So if you, if all you needed me to do is read the directions to you and you have the gist of it, you can go ahead and just pause this if you need to, or you can just stop the video and get started. But if you need me to read all the words to you, that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so we'll start with PL 107. Write each contraction from the 2 given words. So think about what contractions are. And I'm going to say each word 2 times. And if you need to pause the video, if I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause. We have. We have. Below. They have. They have. To the right of that. I have. I have. Below that, you have. You have. The next part, PL 108, write each contraction from the 2 given words. Should have. Should have. Below that, could have. Could have. On the right, must have. Must have. Below that, would have. Would have. On the back, PL 109, write each contraction from the 2 given words. So I'm going to read them from top to bottom. Is not. Is not. Have not. Have not. will not, will not, would not, would not, have not, have not. On the right side, from top to bottom, should not, does not, does not, could not, did not, has not, has not. All right, below that, PL 110, use the words in the word bank to sort them under the correct column. So here are the words, and you're going to put them either under contractions, so think in your head, what are contractions? And then you're going to, or it goes under this column, possessive. So you think in your head, what makes a word possessive, okay? So the first one, they've, they've. If it's a contraction, write it under contractions. If it's a possessive, write it under possessive. They've. It's. His. Your. I'm. She'll. Okay, then below the last part, PL 111, write the correct un or re word. I'll read each one 2 times. Not known, not known. Heat again, heat again. Check again, check again. Not finished, not finished. If you need me to review the directions again, or if you need to go back and if you think you missed something, go ahead and restart the video. But otherwise, have a great day.